Hello, everyone, and welcome to the English for Beginners podcast series. My name is Sarah. Today, we are going to talk about a very important topic: the best way to learn or practice the English language. Learning English can feel difficult at first, but if you use the right methods, it becomes much easier and more enjoyable. So, what is the best way to learn English? First, you need to make English part of your daily life. Try to listen to English every day: podcasts, songs, or short videos. When you listen often, your ears get used to the sounds of English. You start to understand words and phrases without thinking too much. Next, speak as much as you can. It's okay if you make mistakes. Don't be afraid. Speak with your friends, classmates, or even talk to yourself in front of the mirror. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Another great way to improve your English is reading. Start with short stories or easy news articles. Reading helps you learn new words and shows you how sentences are built. Also, try writing a little every day. You can write about your daily routine, your favorite food, or your plans for the weekend. Writing helps you organize your thoughts in English, and it helps you remember grammar rules. One more important point: use English in fun ways. Watch movies or shows with English subtitles. Play games in English. Follow English pages on social media. When learning is fun, it feels easier and faster. Finally, be patient. Learning a language takes time, but every small step helps. Don't stop. Keep going. Make English part of your life, and soon you will see real progress. And now, let's talk about some important words we used in today's podcast. The first word is practice. To practice means to do something many times to get better. Example: I practice speaking English every morning. The second word is confident. Confident means feeling sure and strong about yourself. Example: she is confident when she speaks English. The next word is mistake. A mistake is something that is not correct. Example: he made a mistake, but he learned from it. The following word is routine. A routine is something you do regularly, like a habit. Example: my morning routine includes reading in English. The next word is subtitles. Subtitles are the words you see at the bottom of a video or movie. Example: I watch English movies with English subtitles. The next word is patient. To be patient means to wait calmly and not give up. Example: learning a new language needs a patient mind. And the final word is progress. Progress means improvement or moving forward. Example: I see progress in my English after 1 month of daily practice. Thank you for joining me today on the English for Beginners podcast. Remember, the best way to learn English is to use it every day. Listen, speak, read, write, and enjoy the process. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, and always believe in yourself. See you next time. Goodbye.